first catastrophic disasters humankind experienced were the floods, which wiped out all of the life form upon the surface of the planet. Noah and his family were the only survivors in that event. So what do you think is going to happen to us all next, in days to come, man? Purification by intense heat and firemen are burst on this process right back to the day of its origin. All the stars from the heavens above shine brightly to those open to see them. We believe in the Divine One, who has exposed these truths to you and others from day one of the human life cycle, which began our time clock sequence countdown to the completion of our species. How can we accuse anyone of being an alarmist? How much more greenhouse gas accumulation into our atmosphere is required to help cause a catastrophic event, providing a chain reaction of other events which then envelope large regions of the globe with devastating effects? This planet is not immune from going supernova brought about by our own hands. This is a joke, right? Perhaps not. No way, Frank, just to gain your attention for the purpose of receiving instant fame. I live in the region near all the campfire ring, and there are large subterranean pits dug deep and wide within the earth, transforming the landscape into a desolate wasteland. Since the coal and gas reserves are mined and stored on the surface stockpiles, it's also exposed to the adverse weather conditions. As we've all seen many more of these violent storms happening on global scales, humankind knew well ahead decades ago they were informed by their own specialist of the risk assessment. Someone financed this research well into its developmental stages, gaining the exclusive right to the open sale of its byproducts. These deeds have been going on unrestrained for several thousand years of our existence. How much more of this does anyone living today believes that this Earth, or any planet for that matter, could bear up to before it totally collapsed? If any one of you people out there in its media land, which is devised to keep the masses focused upon one direction, sales. However, something went very wrong with their plans. Man's knowledge is limited to what God our Creator allows in His domain. A speculation is not just a word, but a service they too offer as a services in their stock markets and financial institutions. I see a complete picture of what's going on around us all and where this is leading to for all of the species now living upon our planet Earth. We are now seeing many waves of disasters across the globe. Human subjections to human rule are condemned to extinction. Men felled the trees of Earth, which produces the oxygen all life on Earth requires to complete its process. Men polluted our skies and clouds with their experimentation for the knowledge of his grand design. Man's waste byproducts from their conquest throughout time lie deep upon our ocean and sea floors, not to mention in its fresh waterways as well. The surface of the planet fared far worse. Even our rubbish is stockpiled in enormous landfills, emitting gas and toxic fumes. These types of activities by humankind on this Earth have reached its critical stage for completion of our life cycles. What will happen if or when one of these volcanoes erupts near one of the oil or gas drilling rigs inland, or on the high seas, or right next to our nature habitats? Men will not give up their means for acquiring their wealth, not even for the cost of their own existence. Live well then, dying later syndrome affects many of the global populace, at the expense of Earth's other life forms. Try taking away their means of transport and leisure without a fight, then the trade surplus dries up quickly. Why do you think there are laws on their books globally, trying to keep these services free-flowing? Governments are jailing individuals for disruptive practices, even injuring some as they're trying to eliminate any future reoccurrence of these problems. Many have lost their lives in the struggle for peace and justice, so it seems all in vain. The choice is very simple: continue to live our lives within complete harmony of this planet with respect. The other alternative is continuing on without pressing course of actions bring about the complete annihilation from our own hands fueled by hate and greed.